Good morning, students. Today we are going for the chapter 7 in history for class 10th Quit India movement. Quit India movement is also known as the August movement. On 8th August in 1942 at All India Congress Committee session in Bombay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. The Congress minister given the resignation. In October 1939, when the Viceroy, without consulting the Indians, declared that India was at war with Germany during the Second World War. This led to a political deadlock in a country. And these are some of the events leading to Quit India movement. Like the British government tried to put the religious minorities and the princes against the Congress. The Congress therefore asked its minister to resign. In July 1937, the Congress had formed ministries in the United Provinces and central provinces like Orissa, Bihar, Madras, and the Bombay. Later, Assam and the northwest frontier also came under the Congress rule. The resignation of Congress ministers in October, November in 1939 had many implications. Like the Viceroy was very happy when the Congress minister given their resignation, but some of the Congress leaders they did not given their resignation. They are only believe in the authority of the British government. The ministers involved in these states like Punjab, Bengal, Sindh did not resign to win the government's goodwill. Here, Muslim League was very happy because Congress ministers are given their resignation, and it is celebrated the day when Congress minister resign as a day of deliverance and thanks giving to the British government. In 1940, the Muslim League passed a resolution demanding the partition of the country and creation of a state is called the Pakistan. The name Pakistan was derived from the letters of provinces and communities. In this picture, you have to be seen the Jinnah with the Gandhiji. The name of Pakistan was derived only by the Jinnah. He wanted the country was divided into two separate nations. Now his demand that the new country would comprise Punjab, Afghan, northwest frontier provinces like Kashmir, Sindh and Baluchistan. Jinnah proclaimed that division of India into autonomous states was only the solution of Indian problems. August offer. Now, this is the time period of the World War situation. British government need the some army. They wanted fight against with the Germany. So British government make a decision. A change of government took place in Britain in May 1940. Winston Churchill became the Prime Minister of and Amri took over as Secretary of State for India. The war situation in Europe worsened, the fall of France and the danger of Nazi occupation of Britain temporarily. On June 1, 1940, Gandhi declared, "We do not want to seek our independence but out of British ruin." Gandhi said, British government give the freedom to India. Now, that time period, on 8th August 1940, Lord Lythingue, the Viceroy, made a new offer known as the August Offer. The Congress rejected the August Offer. Congress knew that there is no promise of independence and countries divided in two parts. The Muslim League also not accept the August Offer because they are also thinking that they did not give a clear assurance for the establishment of Pakistan. Some of the causes of Quit India movement, like with the Japanese army rapidly advancing towards India, it became necessary for British to break the political deadlock in India, political deadlock between the Muslim League and Congress. Now, the Cripps Mission proposed the following constitutional reform. India would be given a dominant status when the war would be end. But here there is no surety about the India get the independence. Second point, Constituent Assembly would be set up. It would consist of members elected by the lower house of Indian legislature, but princely states nominated by their rulers. It would be set up draft of new constitution. It means British government support to the princely states. British government did not support the Congress. British government did not support the Hindus. British government play a game between the Hindu and Muslims. There would be a federation of British India and Indian states. It means the remote control under the British government. There is no surety about the freedom. The provinces would be free to join India Union. Provision would also be made for the protection of racial, religious and minorities. Some of the failure of the Cripps Mission. Why? See there, Cripps Mission did not bring with the promise of independence in the near future. It means there is no surety about the India got the independence. The plan involved partitioning the country. It means the country is divided into the two parts. That is not a good for country or India. The Hindu Mahasabha rejected the proposal because it feared partition of country. The Sikh, the Anglo-Indians and the Indian Christian and Labour leaders are also opposed this because they did not sure they provide a safeguard in Pakistan either in India. Congress opposed, they did not want to be divide the country in two parts. Congress wanted that all subjects including defense should be handed over national government. The Congress instead on immediate formation of national government with full responsibility.